Hello, this video will show you how to install the Java to the M1 Mac. So if you type Java version, if you see like this error message, that means your computer need to install the Java. So for me, the easier way to install the Java is by installing via the brew. So I already installed the brew. If you know you install the brew, please install the brew first. So after you have a brew, you can type brew install the Java. So it will install for you automatically. But after installed, you have to link your Java package for working properly. So you have to type your two commands. First command is here. Another command is that you have to export the part to your ZSHRC file. So for me, first time I only type the export, and I didn't link it. So when I take a Java versions, it doesn't work properly. But after I type also this command, so it can work properly. So how can you check to work properly? You can type like this, Java version. If you see the Java versions, so that means your computer already installed successfully the Java version. Thanks for your watch.